creator is here, Mr. Pos, um, who's been actively blogging using the davabloggers.com. So, um, it's a platform similar to any WordPress platform that you can see, except that it's a multi-user. So you could create your own name.davabloggers.com. Let's say, for example,
Murag sana admin name yan.
dulce.davabloggers.com or
Nagkasabay ko aya.
foodtrip.davabloggers.com. You
Mag-user
just
na
need
ko.
to create an account and you could start blogging immediately. Now, the good thing about Davao Bloggers is that when you create a blog in the davabloggers.com, you're bringing the name of Davao. And whatever you create in that blog, hopefully would change the way people see about Davao. Now, some people created some blogs about the kind of delicacies here in Davao. Some blog about the nice tourist spots in Davao, the nice beaches we've got around, the nature, the very accessible tourist spots around. So if we continue to create this kind of